Hey, how you doing? How you all doing out there? Hope you're having an awesome day so far. My name's Alex Ryan, and thanks for dropping by. Thanks for joining me here. Now, obviously you're here because you're looking to start something. Maybe you're looking to start something on Amazon. Maybe you're looking to start finding hot products and selling these online, but you're not too sure where to start. And I think a lot of people get stuck and undone in this situation where they're just not too sure what to sell. So today's video, guys, is I'm going to give you two really quick strategies to finding really good products. And the first strategy is going about looking at what competitors are selling online. So there's a couple of quick ways of doing this. It's very easy. Well, not really easy, but there's actually strategies to finding out the top 1,000 sellers. And that's what I do constantly. I look up who is selling friggin' big volumes, like really serious volumes of products. And then what I do is I look into what exactly are they selling, right? So they're doing really well. They're probably doing about 200-300K a month in sales and turnover. What are they selling? And I look exactly what they're selling, what products they're selling. Is it something that I personally want to get into? I'm not just in it just to make a quick buck. There's some products I would never touch. I would never touch anything related to medicine or pharmaceuticals, or even guns or ammunition. I would never touch any of that kind of stuff. All right, so there's products that I particularly have a passion for, and products that I would love to get involved with. And so if these products are in some of these top seller lists, then I would probably jump on it. The second way is by using some of these online tools out there, and there's a few out there. You got to look quite deep, and this is the sort of stuff that we talk about it at some of our boot camps and trainings that we hold. We show you exactly the tools that we use, how to use the tools. So let's say, for example, you see one seller selling maybe footwear, shoes, for instance. This is just pure demonstration purposes only, and you're like, you know what are they doing? What kind of turnover are they selling? Well, it's very easy to find out. There's a matter of just copying and paste the link, or finding out what rank seller they are in that specific niche. So for example, it's footwear, it'll be under footwear or clothing, and then basically inserting that in some of these tools, and the tools will actually tell you the type of turnover they're doing, the potential stock that they're running, the FBA costs of holding the cost, the storage of the costs, the $40 fee, and also the shipping and the packing and sending it off to that particular customer. So it actually estimates all the costs of that particular seller. So guys, there are people out there willing to help you. There are tools out there that are there for you if you're looking to start something on Amazon. And there's good ways of starting, and there's bad ways of starting. I think a lot of people just jump right into it, not knowing what to sell and not knowing anything about Amazon, which is probably one of the worst ways to get started. If you are looking to actually get coached, I do have a free webinar. So if you visit my website, link below here, there is a free webinar. It gives you some great strategies on getting started. It gives you some great product ideas if you're looking to get started. And guys, check it out. If you have questions, feel free to comment on the video below. Have an awesome day. Hope you're having an awesome day so far. Talk to you real soon. See you later.